In this tutorial, we will use the borehole image to extract an estimation of the porosity and generate the log. In order to proceed, we will open the pre-processing workspace and convert the color image to a grayscale using the Convert Image Type module. Now we can extract the low values with auto thresholding. Note that we can also work on a more complex recipe involving watershed if needed. Now that the low intensities have been extracted, we will generate a porosity log per line with the porosity module. As a result, we have one fraction value per XY line, as shown in the result sheet. Going back to the Core Profile workspace, we can select and display the new log generated from the borehole image in the Chart Properties panel.